Round 4. Start in a chain space. If you fastened off the petal color, join your new background color yarn in any of the CH22 spaces from round 3. Once in any chain 2 space, CH3 counts as 1 DC, then work to DC in the same space. Now, CH1. This initial cluster of 3 DC, CH1, serves as a side cluster. Next space 2, corner cluster. In the following CH2 space, work 3DC CH2, 3DC, then CH1. Next space 3, side cluster. In the next CH2 space, work 3DC, then CH1. Next space 4, corner cluster. 3DC CH2, 3DC in the next space, then CH1. Next space 5, side cluster. 3DC CH1 in the next space. Next space 6, corner cluster. 3DC CH2, 3DC CH1 in the next space. Next space 7, side cluster. 3DC CH1 in the next space. Next space 8, last remaining space, corner cluster. 3DC CH2, 3DC in the last space, then CH1. Finally, join with a SL street to the top of the beginning. CH3 of this round. Round 4 is finished. Round 5. Start round 5. CH3 counts as 1 DC, 2 DC in the same CH1 space. Then CHE, this is the first side cluster of round 5. Pattern for round 5, repeat around side cluster in the next CH1 space along the side. Work 3D CCH1 side cluster. In the following CH1 space, this will be the second side gap on the same side of the square. Work 3D CCH1 corner. In the next corner, CH-2 space work 3DC. CH2, 3DC, then CH1. Keeping the blanket square. Now you VA filled the side with 2 clusters. The next space will be the corner. Side cluster. 3DCCH1 in the next side space. Side cluster. 3DCCH1 in the next side space. Corner 3DCCH2. 3DCCH1 in the next corner space. Side cluster. 3DCCH1 in the next side space. Side cluster. 3DCCH1 in the next side space. Corner. 3DCCH2. 3DCCH1 in the next corner space. Side cluster. 3DCCH1 in the next side space. Side cluster. 3DCCH1 in the next side space. Corner. 3DCCH2, 3DCCH1 in the next last corner space. Complete the round. Join with a SL saint to the top of the starting CH23 to close the round. Your Daisy Granny Square is now complete.